ready, man.
You ready?
You ready?
Yeah,
all right,
man.
look. A small place where I came from. I'm from a place where the haze is amazing. I'm from a place where the shatter boy raised young Rasta man blazing. Don't dare call me Haitian. And I ain't hating on my Zo pounds. It's just Spanish down Jamaica. I'ma hold down. And I'ma hold down my first step. Crooklyn, Crown Heights, Brooklyn. Raised with the crooks, man. Yeah. I was born to spit ether under overachiever. Smarter than all my teachers. When they was teaching that graph stuff, I was plotting to get my cash up, feel me? But I still learned everything. Money rule the world and never think of a wedding ring, cause if you do, you're taking pieces of everything. Call that a variable, and yeah, them bitches very bold. But it varies. You can find a good connect if you just attract the grip. Watch how the profit flip. Multiply by 2 and it be hard to grip. But if you snooze, then you lose, it be hard to flip. See? My work ethic is crazy. You lazy niggas is gonna hate me. Society really just trying to change me, but I'm just posted up, bobbing to the same beat, same string, same clap, same bass line, bobbing to my heartbeat. How you gonna change mine? My mind state is crazy. You niggas so fugazi. It's okay, keep hating on the Maverick while I get you trapped in this lyrical madness, man.
Got bars.